Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 21, 1914 America, New York. RBA Deputy Governor Debelle to speak soon. The Reserve Bank of Australia's Guy Debelle, Deputy Governor, and Leon Berkelmans, Senior Manager, Financial Markets, will appear before the Australian Parliament's House of Representatives Standing Committee on Economics coming up from 10:15 a.m. local time, which C0015 GMT.
BBC News Business. September 21, 1910 America, New York. Pret to hire 3,000 staff after cutting same number in 2020. The coffee and sandwich chain says it hopes to open 200 shops and double in size within 5 years. BBC News Business. September 21, 1908 America, New York. No clear end to HS2 cost and delays, say MPs. The Public Accounts Committee is increasingly alarmed about key parts of the rail project. BBC News Business. September 21, 1901 America, New York. Catalogue of errors led to £1 billion of state pension underpayments. The National Audit Office says 134,000 pensioners, mostly women, were affected by a preventable scandal.
Daily FX Market News. September 21, 1900 America, New York. Australian dollar forecast. Evergrande, PBOC, risk trends, BOJ on the radar. AUD, USD fell overnight as traders failed to buy Wall Street's dip on Tuesday. Investors are eyeing Chinese markets and the PBOC to gauge Evergrande risks. The Bank of Japan rate decision is on deck.
Forex Live. September 21, 1855 America, New York. The short version Federal Open Market Committee preview. The Federal Reserve FOMC statement will come Wednesday, the 22nd of September 2021 U.S. time. Earlier previews. BNZ have a real quick summary of what to expect. Bolding is mine.
Daily FX Market News. September 21, 1837 America, New York. Central Bank Watch. Fed speeches, interest rate expectations update. September Fed meeting preview. Markets are expecting a hawkish FOMC when the September Fed meeting concludes on Wednesday.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 21, 1835 America, New York. Zoom is a verb, and a target. The video conferencing superstar is facing some of the challenges better associated with its much larger tech peers, without their advantages. BBC News Business. September 21, 1830 America, New York. Pandemic has changed travel forever, says Airbnb boss. Boss Brian Chesky says people are increasingly combining business and leisure travel thanks to remote working.
New York Times Business. September 21, 1825 America, New York. American Airlines and JetBlue face antitrust suit over alliance. The Justice Department said the partnership amounted to a merger in the New York and Boston markets and reduced competition more widely. American Airlines jets at the Boston airport.
Forex Live. September 21, 1821 America, New York. U.S. House votes to fund government, suspend debt limit. Yeah. The Dems have a House majority, so that's not where any problem is going to arise. Eyes on the Senate, where passage will not be easy. Anyway, headlines via Reuters.
Global Economy. September 21, 1817 America, New York. First FT. Global stocks rebound from Evergrande-induced crisis. Chinese policymakers expected act to prevent Evergrande crisis. IEA urges Russia to ramp up gas supply to Europe. UK weighs joining USMCA.
Forex Live. September 21, 1811 America, New York. IMF chief economist says China has the tools and space to prevent Evergrande from becoming a systemic crisis. IMF chief economist Gopinath says following developments regarding Chinese property developer China Evergrande very closely via an interview with Reuters. Forex Live. September 21, 1802 America, New York. Reminder. China's markets reopen in its PBOC rate setting day. HK is closed. A summary of who's in, who's out and the days ahead. In China today, at 0130 GMT, the People's Bank of China is setting its 1-year and 5-year loan prime rates.
Daily FX Market News. September 21, 1730 America, New York. Market Intelligence. Bloomberg's Larry Tabb on the recent surge in retail investing activity. Speculative trading and the one thing most misunderstood about the markets.
New York Times Business. September 21, 1730 America New York, no more apologies. Inside Facebook's push to defend its image. Mark Zuckerberg, the chief executive, has signed off on an effort to show users pro-Facebook stories and to distance himself from scandals. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook's chief executive, in Paris in 2019.
Forex Live. September 21, 1718 America New York. U.S. President Biden says will keep discussing a trade deal with the UK. UK PM Johnson is meeting with Biden in Washington. Johnson wants a trade agreement with the U.S. but is apparently being fobbed off to some indeterminate time in the future. Forex Live. September 21, 1715 America New York. In case you missed it, crypto exchange Suex sanctioned by U.S. Treasury over ransomware roll. A Tuesday announcement from the U.S. Treasury Department. It'll sanction a cryptocurrency exchange website for its alleged role in laundering ransoms for cyberattacks. Posting this in case you hadn't seen it. Link T.
Global economy. September 21, 1704 America New York. UK pins hope on joining US, Mexico and Canada trade pact. London shifts focus to USMCA as prospect of clinching a bilateral deal with Washington fades.
New York Times Business. September 21, 1653 America New York. FDA panel recommends Pfizer boosters for those over 65 or at risk. The committee said there was insufficient evidence to recommend third shots for all adult recipients of the vaccine, as Pfizer had requested. A dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccine was prepared to be administered in Reading, Pennsylvania, this week.
Forex Live. September 21, 1650 America New York. Bitcoin price crash to $5,400. That didn't happen. A cryptocurrency data network that is controlled and run by a network of some big U.S. finance industry players showed a massive plunge in BTC. Lost its shit. Forex Live. September 21, 1648 America New York. Trade Ideas Thread. Wednesday the 22nd of September 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. September 21, 1633 America New York. Private oil survey data shows large draw in headline crude inventory. Stonking huge draw. Via the Zhejis. Expectations I had seen. This is the inventory data from the private survey. Official data follows WED. Morning, U.S. time.